This is Team 6044A, aka Nano Raiders, based in Bolingbrook High School, Illinois. Started the club. Here is our logo and our team picture. This captures how we work and how hard our team works every day to strive for success. Many of our team members have previously been in robotics competitions, such as the Apollo Next Gen NASA Challenge, which was an EV3 competition that occurred in the summer of 2019. Our team members have also been to previous VEX IQ competitions, and they also have almost gone to nationals. Some of our team have been to previous FLL competitions, and most of them have made state. Team members have also been to various STEM fairs throughout the state of Illinois. Team members have also participated in science/math events at the National Finals of North-South Foundation in 2018 and 2019. One of our group members has been recognized as a national changemaker for making a positive benefit to society using STEM. Some members of our team brought national championships of science and math bowls and bees at the footsteps of their schools and earned tremendous accolade and recognition. Some team members were invited to be part of Wonderful Women in STEM and Superheroes in STEM by Fermi National Lab for Chicagoland kids who are doing a wonderful job in promoting STEM subjects. We have also talked with 2 U.S. representatives of Illinois regarding passing STEM legislation into law, which means the government will better support STEM products. We have also partnered with Bolingbrook STEM Association and Purdue Northwest University in order to bring robotic programs closer to home. We have also talked to the police and fire departments in order to implement STEM solutions throughout society. We would like to thank many people in making this video possible. Some of the people or organizations that have helped to make this video are posted on screen.